All right, guys. So this is my workstation. As you can see, here's my workstation. That's my car. I'm gonna get it working later. I have a power supply I'm gonna play with soon in a little bit. Just not now, not today. Maybe in next video. Got my some tools over there. I've got a bunch of tools everywhere. Actually, anyways. So the purpose of this video is to show you guys how my arm works, essentially. So this is the battery that powers my arm. As you can see, it's flipped on. So it's on right now. So this is the battery that powers my Arduino. Powers my Arduino and powers my arm. This is a switch that I have attached so that I can turn it on, or let's see if I can do it with one hand, turn it off. Look at that, now it's off. You can see these numbers have gone away. This is a voltage converter, or what's it called? Yeah, it's a voltage converter. Anyways, this battery carries 7.4 volts. I forgot what it's called, but essentially it downgrades the voltage to I had it at less than 5. It was like 4.7 volts, something like that, because the Arduino needs to be powered with 5 or less volts. So that's why I have it that way. I couldn't get it exactly 5, so I went a little bit below 5 just to not damage anything. The Arduino also has a inbuilt way to downgrade the voltage to 5 volts, but anyways, it's safer using this buck converter. That's what it's called, a buck converter. It's safer to use this buck converter to convert here. Let's turn it on again so you can see it working. Here's the buck converter, and it's on. All right, as you can see, it's 4.78 volts. The reading is over there. Over here, which is powered on, now you can see with the lights, that's the Arduino. This is the Arduino R4 Wi-Fi, technically. It is, I ordered an R3. Anyways, they gave me an R4. I'm fine with that. It's a Wi-Fi, so I can make this little screen over here. I can make it show values and variables. Maybe I'll do that later on. Here's the breadboard. This is where the wiring goes. This is essentially how my arm gets the power from the buck converter. So then here it sends power through these wires. The signal goes in through this wire. This is the ground signal. This other wire is the ground signal. It powers this breadboard. I will go over the breadboard. If you guys want me to, I can go over breadboards and how they work. In this case, I just have it going through the rails. Here I have the power and ground are being transferred to this side too, so I can use that side as well. And so that's what all this wiring is, to make sure power goes to where it needs to, ground goes to where it needs to, and the signal comes from the Arduino. The signal that goes to both my potentiometers and to my arm. Okay, so and I just recently got some new potentiometers. Actually, the potentiometers are down here. It's a box of them, which is awesome. I'm just using 2 of them right now, but I'll be using those other ones probably soon later. This one's my old potentiometer. I figured this one's working fine. I'm not gonna change it. These 2 I changed out. I also upgraded the software a little bit. Made sure the software was good. Also, I wired these guys wrong apparently. Thank you, ChatGPT. I wired these things wrong, so I rewired them. It works fantastic. So now I got my arm working better, and I will show you guys that arm a little bit later. But you can see now I've got this changed, so it only goes 45 degrees. So if I make it go up, oh come on, turn, you can see it only goes to there. Now it's not gonna, it'll go a little bit more, but then that's it. So that's awesome. So I've already improved it. And then here's how it spins. Let's spin this thing. Look at that. Spinning so much smoother now. Spin backwards. Come on. Come on. Backwards. Don't act up on me. Come on, bro. Oh, that's what happened. The ground fell off. 1 second. The ground wire fell off. While I was doing it with one hand, the ground wire fell off. That's why this guy wasn't working. If I can get it working now. See? Look at that. Now it's working fine. If it's not wired well, it's not gonna work for you. And yeah, that's about it. This is going to be short, so I'm leaving it short so you guys can see and you guys can learn something. All right, I will see you guys later. Bye.